If you live in Washington or Oregon, you're probably staring down this atmospheric river right now thinking to yourself, am I covered? Well, guess what? In today's video, I'm going to show you the exact answer to this question so you can rest easy by the end of this video knowing whether you're covered or not and what steps to take to get covered. So let's get started. Hi, I'm Chris with the Flood Insurance Guru. And more than a decade ago, I almost lost my home because of flooding and flood insurance. And that's why I've been helping homeowners like yourself in Oregon or Washington for more than a decade, making sure they're properly covered, rather knowing what's covered and what's not. So let's get started here today. Now today we're, most homeowners think their home insurance is going to cover flooding, especially when it comes to things like this, atmospheric rivers. But that just isn't the case. Typically, home insurance is not going to cover flood damage. Remember, when we're talking about flood damage here, we're talking about, when water actually enters your home from outside. We're not talking about your bathtub. We're not talking about your sink or your toilet backing up. We're specifically talking about a very unique type of flood damage here. So when we talk about this atmospheric river, we're talking about this kind of mass effect that comes across the West Coast, usually during December, January, sometimes even February, or even November. And it just drops large amounts of rainfall at one time. In fact, look at LA. They may get a few inches of rain in one day. That's crazy, isn't it? Oregon may get 6 inches at one time. It's just part of what happens. And in looking at this, we've got to understand, this whole effect here and how to protect yourself and are you covered? Now, look, the simple question is that if you have flood insurance, yes, you should be covered here. However, do you have the right coverage? That's the next thing you have to think about. Like, for example, do you have a replacement cost on your flood insurance policy, or do you just have what your bank requires? You may want to take that test in the description below to find out if standard flood insurance coverage is enough for you. The next thing you want to ask, hey, do I have the right coverage here on my contents? If my personal belongings are destroyed, do I have the right amount of coverage here? These are all questions you should be asking. Or, hey, if my property does flood, am I going to have a hotel paid for? If you have a national flood insurance program policy, the quick answer is no. You're not going to have additional life expenses. No, you're not going to have replacement costs and contents. And you're probably only going to have building coverage up to $250,000. Well, if you live in a house that's more than 1,500, 2,000 square feet, then you're probably not going to have enough coverage here. So, in looking at atmospheric river flooding and whether it's covered by flood insurance or not, the short answer is yes, it is. However, it's almost never going to be covered by home insurance. So this is your quick answer in today's video. Now, what can you do to get protected against atmospheric river flooding? It's simple. Step 1, fill the form out on our website. Step 2, connect with myself or one of our flood risk advisors. And step 3, finalize your policy to make sure you have the right protection. I'm Chris with the Flood Insurance Guru, and I want to say thank you for watching today's video.